So this is my Greatmats video review for the rubber floor that I purchased from them. Installed it in my gym. Went together very nicely, very efficiently. First off, on the way in, I used a vinyl reducer, this rubber strip. Used contact cement, glued it right to the ceramic tile. And then the Greatmats rubber flooring notches right into that, so it's a nice smooth transition, so there's no trip hazard. But it works very nicely in my gym. Very clean. Nice for putting weights down where you don't have to worry about the clanging and the banging. Very, very, very happy with the product. Anyone who wishes to purchase this would not be disappointed. Absolutely not. Okay, thank you for listening.